Hello students, welcome to Sai Sanskar online classroom. Welcome to the another session of our free online course of mathematics for class 7. In this particular session, we are going to continue our last part. You can all see a screen behind me on which written is textbook exercise solution part 3. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. Let's begin it. Now, we are starting with question number 9 as question number 8 we will see it in our previous part or previous session. Let's start it. Now you all can see question number 9. Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statement true. Now there is a statement is given. We have to use these signs to make these statements true. In which condition they will be greater, less or equal. Now you can see the first one is minus 8 plus minus 4. There will be a box, then minus 8, minus and minus 4. Now first we solve the left hand side. Now okay, say first we remove the brackets, what we get minus 8 and minus 4. So plus minus minus, so minus 8, minus 4, minus 12 in the left hand side, and in the right hand side minus 8, minus minus plus, so minus 8 plus 4 equal to minus 4. Now minus 12 and minus 4, which one is greater among them? We already know about the number line concept. So minus 1 is greater or minus 2 is greater? Minus 1 because it is more near to 0. So or it is more to the right hand side. Now here you can see which one is more to the right side or which one is lies more to the right side. It is minus 4, so it is greater than. So second will be in this way. In the second one, minus 3 plus 7 minus 19 box 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. What we have to do? Again first we removing the or first we solving the bracket first. Now here you can see minus 3 and plus 7. Minus 3 plus 7 equal to plus 4. Now 4 minus 19 equal to minus 15. And in the second one 15 minus 8 plus minus 9. Minus 8 minus 9 minus 17. 15 minus 17 equal to minus 2. Now minus 15 and minus 2. Which one is greater or larger from among these two? The answer is so simple. The minus 2 is more lies on the right hand side in compared to minus 15. So it is more greater than it. So the symbol in this way. Next is 23 minus 41 plus 11. There will be a box 23 minus 41 plus 11. We solve it. First we 23 minus 41 it will be minus 18. And when 23 minus 41 minus 11 you can see here at the one side you all can see. Now it will be minus 18 plus 11 and this side 23 minus 52 because minus 41 minus 11 equal to minus 52. So minus 18 plus 11 equal to minus 7, then box minus 29. Now which one is greater among these? Answer is simple. Minus 7 is more to the right in compared to minus 29. So minus 7 is greater or larger among minus 29. Next is 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. 36 plus minus 52 minus 36. So what the answer? First we solve the brackets. We are solving the bracket. What we get? Now here minus 24 minus 15 minus 39. And here you minus minus plus. So 36 plus 36 is equal to 72. 72 minus 52. Here 39 minus 39 equal to 0. In the left hand side and in the right hand side it will be 20. So which one is greater among these? It is clear. 20 is greater. So the symbol in this way. Next is minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 and there will be box, then minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. So here you can see minus 231 plus 130. 130 it means 79 plus 51 equal to 130. In the left side, in the right hand side 159 plus 81 equal to 240. What we get? Minus 231 plus 130 equal to minus 101. And in the left side and in the right hand side it will be minus 159. So which one is greater? The answer is clear. The minus 101 is more to the right side or more is lies on the right side in compared to minus 159. So the symbol in this way. I think you all get it. Very good. Now move on the next question. Next question is a water tank has step inside it. A water tank has a step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. You all can see this picture. Monkey is sitting on the top of the step, the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. He jump 3 steps down and then jump back 2 steps up. In how many jump will he reach the water level? Now there is the first question and its solution is here. Now the first condition what is say, according to question, the first condition is he jump 3 steps down and jump back 2 steps up. Following number A shows the jump of monkeys. Here you can say this is the first step and now it will be jump 3 steps. First jump here, then 2 jump back, then there will be third jump, then 4th jump will be 2 step back. I think you all get the picture. Now for what happened, first jump equal 1 plus 3 equal to 4 steps, second jump equal 4 minus 2 equal to 2 steps, then third jump equal 2 plus 3 5, then 5 minus 2 3. Now this process will be repeated. Now 3 plus 3 equals 6, then 6 minus 2 equal 4, next 4 plus 3 equal to 7, then 7 minus 2 equal to 5, 5 plus 3 equal to 8, 8 minus 2 equal to 6. The process will be repeated here. You can all can see that here. First he move 3 steps, then 2 step back, 3 steps, then 2 step back, 3 step, 2 step back. This process will be repeated, and after 11 jumps, you can see after 11 jumps he will reach at the 9th step. I think you all get it. Very good. Now move on the second part of this question. After drinking water, now he successfully drink the water. He want to go back. For this he jump 4 step up and jump back 2 step down in every move. In how many jump will he reach back to the top step? Now the solution of it is here. He jump 4 steps and then jump down 2 steps. So 4 steps, it means first 4 step means from the 9th step to 5th step, then 2 reverse, it means at the 7th, then again 4 it will be reached at 3, then again 2 it will be reached at 5, then again 4 it will be 1. So in the 5th jump he will successfully reach on the top again. I think you all get it. Very good. Next part of this question is, if the number of step moved down is represented by negative numbers and the number of step move up by positive numbers, represent his move in the part first and second by completing the following. Now in the first A and B, in A the sum minus 8 represent going down by 8 step. So what will be the sum 8 in B represent? So its solution is here. A equal to, here you can say minus 3, then plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, it will be repeated and we get minus 8. In the first we can say that you can see it here. In the first we represent these steps in numbers. In second it will be 4 minus 2 4 minus 2 4 minus 2 and it will be 8. The sum 8 in B represent going up by 8 step and the first minus 8 is representing going down by minus 8 step. I think all you get it. With this the part of our exercise will be completed. Now what you have to do, you have to solve these questions in your notebook. After it you have to take pic of it, and now you have to, if you are registered on online school portal, you can upload it there, or if you are not registered on it, you can send it to us with help of WhatsApp or through WhatsApp. With this question the exercise will be also completed. Now what you have to revise the whole exercise. If you have any doubt, then you can ask on online classroom portal, or you can also ask through WhatsApp. I think this is enough for today. Okay, God bless you all.